Something pretty big happened to me today. Something a little atypical. What is not unusual is for me to be walking down the street, which I was today, and have somebody come up and say, Tyler, please, can I have an autograph? Can I have a picture with you, please? Do you have a spare dirty sock that you've used that I could add to my collection that I could keep as a souvenir, as a memento for this amazing occurrence? That's all typical for me. But what is not normal is that this person, after I gave them one of my dirty socks, I gave them an autograph, I gave them a picture, they said, "Please, sir, just one more thing." And I said, "Of course." And he said, "Do you really think Bitcoin is going to keep going up?" And without hesitating, I said, "Does a cow make milk?" And so pretty much right away, with a twinkle in his eye, he said, "Wow, you really know a lot about a lot of things." And I said, "That's not even the half of it." But anyway, my point is, big things are coming, and they might even be bigger than you're expecting. And we see the price of Bitcoin's up a little bit today. We're on our fourth green daily candle, currently down a little bit from what it was about an hour or so ago, but some very big things, and I want to highlight specifically these thoughts. If Bitcoin breaks all-time highs this year and breaks the entire notion of the 4-year cycle, which a lot of people, believe it or not, still believe in the 4-year cycle. I don't, but a lot of people still do. If Bitcoin breaks to a new all-time high this year, that is what's going to trigger peak euphoria, because for the first time, really, even though we did get hints of this at the beginning of the last pump, when Bitcoin broke all-time highs before the halving for the first time ever, and when Bitcoin had a dumpy 2025, when the 4-year cycle told us it should be a pumpy 2025, we already have gotten signs that the 4-year cycle is dead. But breaking to a new all-time high this year would be the final foot in the final nail in the coffin of the 4-year cycle. It would lead to euphoria. It would be a massive, as this tweet says, this would be massive levels of speculation, and things might get very, very big. I would say even extremely big, and I think that that's what's on the menu. You might be sitting there wondering what's on the menu, and I'm telling you what's on the menu. It's something very big coming in 2026, potentially a pump bigger than we've ever seen, and it's going to trigger euphoria. So here's this as well. If Bitcoin added the same dollar value as silver in the past year, we'd be at about $350,000 per Bitcoin. If it did the same for gold, we'd be at about $1.7 million per Bitcoin. Bitcoin is extremely oversold here, and many are severely underestimating how much higher Bitcoin can go from here. And if it happens this year in 2026, again, the 4-year cycle is toast, and we really have to rewrite exactly what this market's doing. I think the Bitcoin spot ETFs were the first real sign of that, right? Or the real precursor, the real reason why that's going to happen, in my opinion. Everything is the same until it's not. Things are never different until they are. And the Bitcoin spot ETFs are a very fundamentally big thing that I think fundamentally changed this market. Chiefy on X says, most people aren't ready for the Bitcoin prime cycle. If the pattern holds, Bitcoin will go to over 300,000 this year. Don't let them shake you out too early. And I saw a tweet earlier today, which I also agree with. This might be the most sidelined that Bitcoin holders, like long-term native Bitcoin holders, have been before a pump. Meaning, like, if Bitcoin actually pumps right now, if it goes to new all-time highs, it breaks 100K, it breaks 110, 120, 130K, this will be like the least invested, the least exposed native Bitcoin holders have been, because this, to be honest, has been a really rough multiple years for people that really believe in this technology, right? The price has not been really doing that well. And in effect, as a result, a lot of people that have been here for a long time have lost faith. And a lot of people aren't as exposed to these markets as they were in previous cycles, right? A lot of people were under the assumption that every 4 years, Bitcoin's going to do the exact same thing, and this is exactly when you have to catch the bull run, and then this is exactly when it's going to rotate to ETH, and then this is exactly when it's going to rotate to alts, higher cap alts, and then lower cap alts, and then the cycle's over. Everyone was so sure it was going to happen exactly like that, because it happened like that like 2 other times. But as many people know, 2 sample sizes is not a very good sample size. In fact, 1 less than that is literally no sample size. You have to have at least, 2 at the very least, but realistically 3, 4, 5, the more the better. The more sample sizes, the better, the more accurate your data. And all of this was based on what? 2 previous bull runs? No wonder it didn't play out that way. It's not like it was ever guaranteed to, right? We didn't have many other bull cycles in the past, only a handful, right? Less than fingers there are in my hand. 15 years of history tells us Bitcoin is about to go parabolic. Absolutely very big. Business cycle is the main thing here, and liquidity. But then also we saw stocks are dumping massively today, while Bitcoin and crypto actually are up. 360 billion has been wiped out from the US stock market, while crypto has added a couple dozen billion. Now, again, it's a little too early to get too excited just for today, but that is a promising sign, actually showing us that, hey, maybe there's some life left in crypto. Gold is up 1% today. Silver is up nearly 6% today. And remember what I highlighted just a couple of minutes ago with Bitcoin having to, if it catches up, it's extremely oversold, as we can see. I just think big things are coming for crypto, for Bitcoin. This is a very lopsided, asymmetric trade, in my opinion. I think this is a no-brainer. Do I know exactly when it's going to pump? Do I know exactly what price it's going to pump to? Do I know exactly where it's going to top out? No, I have no idea. But the setup is here. And that's really the only thing you can identify in markets like this, right? Nobody can predict any market 100%. But yeah, this is just looking pretty promising. I'm extremely bullish and extremely bonish as well. But get signed up to Femex, BITUNIX, or BYBIT below if you want to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, or trade. Great exchanges if you want to get exposed to these markets. Without further ado,